Hey guys, what's up? It's Em and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I will be showing you my new vlogging camera and I will be unboxing the Canon EOS M100. So without further ado, let's check it out. First, of course, is the manual. This also comes with a free 16 gig memory card, but I also bought 64 gig for more storage. Next is the cable wire for the battery charger, which by the way has no adapter, so you probably need one. Next is this camera lens, which I love because it is interchangeable. Next is the battery charger. And the battery. It also comes with a free camera strap, which I already used because I already tried this before filming, so yeah. And of course, the camera itself. So here you can see the flash switch, the digital HDMI terminal, the card slot, and the screen, which is touch screen, and the camera controls, the microphone, the auto, photo, and video mode, the movie button, the speaker, the tripod socket, and the battery compartment. So the screen can be flipped to about 180 degrees, so this is really convenient when you're vlogging or taking selfies. So let's switch on the flash. Just be extra careful because this flash is so fragile, as you can see. So one good thing about this camera is that the battery compartment and the memory slot are separate, so whenever you want to change your memory card, you don't have to pull out the battery pack. So let's try to attach the camera lens to the camera. Just align the white dot on the camera lens and the white dot on the body of the camera and just twist snap it. To open the camera lens, just press this part and then twist. Then just turn on the camera. So I just took a shot of my lip balm for a sample shot. So here you can just play around with the settings of your photo or your videos. So to detach the camera lens, just press this one again and then twist. Then be sure that the camera is turned off. Then push this button here and just twist on the opposite side. So there you go guys, thank you for watching and I hope you like this video, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will try to do a review on this soon. Bye!